O programa é uma produção independente, portanto de total responsabilidade de seus apresentadores e produtores.
Produção e mixagens DJ Renato Lopes, o dinossauro do som.
Tonight's the night for you to let it hang out. You get funky while I get house. Now I know that you got soul. There it is, put the ace in the hole. Feel the vibe while the rhythm controls you. I command you to get loose. Yeah, I know you like my style. Grab a girl and get buck wild. Show me what you got while the noise is pumping. The DJ spinning, the crowd is jumping. Turn up the music and let's motivate. Do that thing until your body starts to break. Watch out.
I won't give it up, baby.
don't rush too fast, you might miss the last step to a dance concept. K-swing, a drop the power that'll keep you rocking after hours. Come on, y'all, let's turn it up and knock the bass and vibrate the dance floor and jump up and down when the people start to yell. Yeah, no time to chill. Dance all night, cause you gotta be strong. There it is, you gotta move on. Shake and bake your money maker. And let me take you to a style that'll make you get down to a dope sound. Watch out for the hitman. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
I won't give it up, baby, until you drop. Get down on the beat. The hitman makes you move. Get into the groove. Let's turn on the heat. Dance all night. Dance all night. Dance all night. Dance all night. She leads a lonely life. She leads a lonely life. When she woke up late in the morning light, and the day had just begun, she opened up her eyes and thought, oh, what a morning. It's not a day for work, it's a day for catching time. Just lying on the beach and having fun. She's going to get ya. All that she wants is another baby. She's gone tomorrow, boy. All that she wants is another baby. Yeah. All that she wants is another baby. She's gone tomorrow, boy. All that she wants is another baby. Yeah. So if you are inside and the day is right, she's a hunter, you're the fox. The gentle voice that talks to you won't talk forever. It is a night for passion, but the morning means goodbye. Beware of what is flashing in her eyes. She's going to get ya. All that she wants is another baby. She's gone tomorrow, boy. All that she wants is another baby. Yeah. All that she wants is another baby. She's gone tomorrow, boy. All that she wants is another baby. Yeah. Yeah. All that she wants is another baby. She's gone tomorrow, boy. All that she wants is another baby. Yeah. All that she wants is another baby. She's gone tomorrow, boy. All that she wants is another baby. Yeah. All that she wants. All that she wants.
To understand this, you have to go back to what the young brother here referred to as the house Negro and the field Negro.
Just as long as I got you, I got enough. As long as I got you, I got enough. Just as long as I got you, I got enough. Just as long as I got you, I got enough. Just as long as I got you, I got enough.
First, we're all gonna sing Pop Goes the Weasel.
DJ Renato Lopes, o dinossauro do som.
You know I'm legit, you know why? Cause I'm from the street. Word to your mother's own.
Pop goes the wine and the weasel. I see the empty pocket needs a refill.
I got a squad with a list of complainers. I should have started rape. Rappers against phony entertainers, so we can make it known that we won't get swayed. It's 91, son, so something's gotta change.
Getting paid, pedal sneakers and soda pop. Pop goes the weasel, his drawers drop. Why not take a top 10 pop hit? Fix the music and make sense, this rhymes fit.
I guess it's the fact that you can't be artistic. Intricate raps becoming so simplistic. I got a strong mind, it doesn't have to be spoon-fed. And I can read, or does it have to be read?
So some stay illiterate and feeble, legally licked. You go the ways of the weasel.
The weasel.
Pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop goes the weasel, cause the weasel goes pop. Pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop goes the weasel, the weasel.
Pop goes the weasel, cause the weasel goes pop. Hip-hop got turned into hip-hop. The second record was #1 on the pop chart. But don't get on the heart, the gotta start in the ghetto. Let no one forget about the hard part. Now in 91 we got a new brand, a new band. Looking like the same old clan, same old thieves that scheme. So we gotta make sure that real rap has got to endure.
Why score more points in one period? Appearing in complex structure like a pyramid. The paper for the media presence. You learn lessons from the face of false legend. Stop vexing on the skills you ain't originate. The thin ice and skate upon a break and set you straight. Ate up on the plate, now who's diesel? Not the weasel, not the weasel. Pop goes the weasel.
Pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop goes the weasel, cause the weasel goes pop. Pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop goes the weasel, the weasel.
Pop goes the weasel, cause the weasel goes pop. You stole somebody's record, then you looped it, you looped it.
You boosted the record, then you looped it, you looped it.
Hey yo, I came from Cali and they hooped it, they hooped it.
But now you're getting sued, kinda stupid.
Boosted tracks get slaps, you got no haps to reach the four corners of the maps. For the kids in Kansas, to those who speak Spanish, doing crazy damage so the whack gets banished. Can't manage the truth until you byway. You ain't quick, so you switch off the exit from a highway. The rest but a crook, have to take a second look. Ever heard of a chef who can't cook? But the minister Mr. Prime can lay laws. Ayo, Pete Nice, rip the mic and go for yours. Goes for mine, I goes for mine. Find the prime won't eat the green eggs and swine. Online like the search in a hoodie with the woody. Get a discotheque at Sam Goody. Why'd you run through the door? Some left open. Roping off the scenes of the crime smoking. I got platinum up like a stud, see? Blowing up like I'm throwing up a beef patty. Sellouts run about like the measles. No cures, cause pop goes the weasel.
Pop pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop pop goes the weasel, the weasel.
Pop goes the weasel, cause the weasel goes pop.
Pop pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop pop goes the weasel, the weasel.
Pop goes the weasel, cause the weasel goes pop.
Pop pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop pop goes the weasel, the weasel.
Pop goes the weasel, cause the weasel goes pop.
Pop pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop pop goes the weasel, the weasel. Pop pop goes the weasel, the weasel.
As it grooves, your body moves. Your body starts to get the feeling. And what you're feeling is happiness. Let your body go as you listen. Let it flow through your system. It'll take control of your mind and make you move your behind. As it grooves, you feel the tension in the air and now you're hype. You're getting down because the sound is just your type. GM and DOSE's kicking it to you right. So come on and party hardy all night and wiggle it just a little bit. I wanna see you wiggle it just a little bit. As it grooves, wiggle it just a little bit. I wanna see you wiggle it just a little bit. As it grooves, once the DJ lets it spin, it'll penetrate your skin, it'll penetrate your soul and make you lose control. The DOSE's coming at ya, invading your like a body snatcher. Whether if you're drunk or sober, this here groove is taking over your body. And now you're partying like you never partied before. You're jumping up and down like crazy on the dance floor. You're getting busy like a bee and that's the truth. I got a feeling there's a fire. Wiggle it
I'm a freak, soon as the beat drops. Grab the mic and start to rhyme. Yo, I'm working overtime to get you sweating on the floor until you can't take no more. As I reminisce, you can guess the rest. Yes, I'm the best of my class. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now it's time to have fun. Get out there and do your thing. Boys and girls, let me see you swing. Move your body to this smooth paper. Don't stand there like you was wallpaper. I'm a freak, but I excel, and I just can't help myself. Here we go again. Now I'm the artist and you're the fan. Funky lyrics for funky minds. Check your swatch if you don't know the time. House and rap, a perfect combination. This is real, no imitation. Party people, are you ready to dance? Well, come on. Here's your chance like a diplomat. I like to make contact. All the cuties, I keep them in check. With the smooth raps, the good groove. Now's the time to get loose. Bases pumping, I feel good. Knock it jumping like you never knew you could. The Baron MC was the one who did it. 1, 2, 3. In the bass, I like it deep. I work night times, I don't sleep. Strive to be the best I can. Don't judge a person till you know the man. Two brothers on the 4th floor, and the Baron MC got rhymes galore. I don't play, I ain't no toy, and that's because I said so, boy. The work is done, money in my pocket. I heard the jam, and I rocked it. Shake that ass, go berserk. Don't just stand there like a jerk. Come on, ask a lady, take a chance. Now let me see you dance. I'm the freak, can't you tell? And I just can't help myself.
Aqui toca só as melhores.
DJ Renato Lopes, o dinossauro do som.